नमस्कार मित्रों। आज हम इंजीनियरिंग ग्राफिक्स सब्जेक्ट्स फॉर द डिप्लोमा इंजीनियरिंग एज वेल एज डिग्री इंजीनियरिंग में जो पढ़ाते हैं उसके एक बेसिक चैप्टर्स ऑर्थोग्राफिक प्रोजेक्शंस ऑफ पॉइंट्स की बात करेंगे। ये जो ऑर्थोग्राफिक प्रोजेक्शंस ऑफ पॉइंट्स जो चैप्टर्स है वो एक बेसिक चैप्टर्स माना जाता है, बिकॉज फॉर ड्राइंग any geometry the basic elements is known as the points. So friends, हमें पहले प्रोजेक्शन ऑफ पॉइंट्स का नॉलेज होगा, then and then you will be able to draw the projections of line, and उसके बाद आपको प्रोजेक्शन ऑफ प्लेन में सहायता मिलेगी, और then and then you will be able to draw the projections of solid. That is why to draw projections of any objects you are required the three basic informations. First one is object, and to define the objects you should have the little bit description of the objects, and it should be the well defined, means the shape of that objects, size of an objects. Second, we are requiring the observer. Always the observing an objects from the perpendicular direction to the respected reference plane, and that is why it is known as the orthographic projections. Next, location of objects data we should have. So the location of the objects may be described by the distance or its position with respect to the reference plane. Friends, there are the two basic reference plane. One is horizontal plane, it denoted by HP, and the second one is vertical plane, it is denoted by VP. Others are the auxiliary plane. There are the three basic auxiliary planes. One is auxiliary inclined plane, that is denoted by AIP. Second is auxiliary vertical plane, it is denoted by AVP. And the third one is the profile plane. This description of these three auxiliary plane we will be discussed while we just need of that auxiliary plane. So the terms above and below is used while we describing the location or position of an object with respect to the horizontal plane, means above HP and below HP. And the term in front and behind is used to define a location of an object with respect to the vertical plane. So friends, by using the vertical and horizontal plane, the space is divided in the four basic quadrants, and the objects can be placed in any one of these four quadrants. So let's see about the basic position of the quadrants. So these are the notations. As we just see an object from the front side, it's called front view of an object. As we see the objects from the top side, then it is called the top view of an object. And if we just see the objects from the side, then it's called the side view. So friend, on the screen you able to see the notation being used for the top view, for the front view, and for the side view. So the top view is always denoted by the small letter without dash. Front view is denoted by the small letter and dash. And the side view is denoted by the small letter with double dash. If we are having the point, so point is always described by the single letter. So if we just assume that the point A, then the top view of point A is denoted by the small a, the front view is denoted by the small a dash, and the side view is denoted by the small a double dash. If our object is the line AB, so its top view is denoted by the small ab, its front view is denoted by the small a dash b dash, and its side view is denoted by a double dash b double dash. Same notation, or this the same systems of the notations can be followed for the all the descriptions. If we use the numbers, then we have to use the same systems. Okay, if we are using the 1 as a point, then top view is the 1, front view is the 1 dash, and the side view is 1 double dash. Okay, तो फ्रेंड हम बात कर रहे थे क्वाड्रेंट्स की. तो स्पेस के अंदर हम एक दो वर्टिकल एंड हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन, this is the vertical plane, this blue one is the vertical plane, and this is the horizontal plane we are assuming. Okay, so the space is divided in the four basic quadrants. Okay, and as shown in this screen, you just see that, able to see the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. Okay, and the observer is placed at the arrow position. ये जो arrow है वहां पे observer खड़ा, and the observer is always observe the objects with the perpendicular with the vertical plane or horizontal plane. If we just draw the front view, then the observer should observe the object perpendicular to the vertical plane. If you would like to draw the top view, then the observer should always the perpendicular with the horizontal plane. So that is why if we just draw the front view, then it always projected on the vertical plane, and if we just draw the top view, then it is always projected on the horizontal plane. Okay, then side view is always projected on profile plane. Okay, so here we have drawn the two-dimensional figures for the four different quadrants. Okay, this point is nothing but it is the xy line. Okay, this xy line is denoted over here in form of the dot. So this is the xy line, this one vertical plane, and this is the horizontal plane. Okay, this is the observer is observing from this directions, and first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant is described by this. Now, if the point A is placed in the different quadrant, and the front view and top view are brought in the same plane for observer to see the clear. So what happened? If we are having like this is the HP and this is the VP, you know that. Now this is denoted by the point A in the first quadrant. Okay, how we will define like this? The point A is in front of VP and above HP. So क्या होगा? The front view is projected on VP like this, and the top view, the front view is denoted by A dash. Now the top view is projected on HP always. Now what happened? The HP is rotate the 90-degree clockwise, friends, 90-degree clockwise. तो कैसे आएगा ये? HP will comes downside. ओके, तो टॉप व्यू कहां पे आ जाएगा? सेम XY लाइन के नीचे आएगा. ओके, so this is denoted by small a. So from these figures you may conclude that the front view of any single objects and the top view of that same objects will be lying on the same vertical line. So the projection of the A dash and projection of A will be on same vertical line with respect to XY line. Now for the same second quadrant की बात करते हैं. In the second quadrant, this is the vertical plane and horizontal plane will be lying on this way. Now what happened? We just having the one observer will be on the same positions. जैसे point A फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में था और ऑब्जर्वर जो पोजीशन में था वही पोजीशन में हमारा ऑब्जर्वर रहेगा यहाँ पे. इट विल नॉट चेंज इट्स direction or position. Now what happened? Our point A is in the second quadrant. The front view कहाँ पे आएगा? It is projected on vertical plane. It is again denoted by small a dash. Top view is projected on the horizontal plane, and again the HP is rotated clockwise. So the VP and HP दोनों क्या हो जाएगी? XY लाइन के ऊपर आएगी. Okay, so this top view is again on the same line, but in the second quadrant top view and front view both are above XY line आएगा. Okay, if we just talk about the third quadrant, then again the VP and HP will be looks in this way. This is HP and VP. Now the point and observer will be take the position in this way. Point A is in the third quadrant. Then what happened? The front view is always projected on vertical plane, but it is below XY line. ये जो है हमारा, this is the intersection of vertical and horizontal plane is XY line. तो XY line से कहाँ पे आया है? नीचे आया है. देखिए front view. So it is denoted by small a dash, and the top view is denoted by A. देखिए the HP is again clockwise, it is open. तो HP कहाँ पे जाएगी? ऊपर जाएगी. So top view is at the above XY line. XY line से ऊपर होगा. It is denoted by A. Right way. Now for the fourth quadrant, you just see that this is the HP and VP orientation. This is the observer orientation, and our point in the fourth quadrant. If we just see the front view, then it is projected on vertical plane. It is denoted by the small a dash. The top view is also projected on horizontal plane, but horizontal plane is clockwise move 90 degree. So VP and HP will be again overlap below XY line. So our top view is projected on below XY line, and it is denoted by A. So friends, from this particular screen you may conclude that our projection of point A, if the point A is in the first quadrant, then the front view will be above xy line and top view will be at below xy line. If our project points is placed in the second quadrant, then with respect to xy line, the front view and top view will be above xy line. Both view will be above xy line. If our points is lying in the third quadrant, then with respect to xy line, the front view of point is below xy line and top view is on above xy line. And if we are having the position of our point in the fourth quadrant, then both front view and top view will be draw at the below xy line. Okay. First and third quadrants are opposites, राइट. हियर देखिए फ्रंट व्यू ऊपर है तो थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में फ्रंट व्यू नीचे है, फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में टॉप व्यू नीचे है तो यहाँ पे थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में टॉप व्यू ऊपर है. सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट की बात करते हैं कि फ्रंट व्यू एंड टॉप व्यू बोथ आर अबव एक्स वाई लाइन, सो इन द फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट फ्रंट व्यू एंड टॉप व्यू बोथ आर बिलो एक्स वाई लाइन. सो इट इज वेरी इजी टू रिमाइंड. ओके, नाउ बेसिक्स जो कंसेप्ट्स है front view and top view of a point is always lies in the same vertical line. ओके, हमने जैसे देखा बैक स्लाइड में कि टॉप व्यू ऑफ पॉइंट ए एंड फ्रंट व्यू ऑफ द पॉइंट ए डैश, वो एक ही लाइन के अंदर प्रोजेक्शंस लाइन एक ही था. कैसे? तो लेट्स सी ऑन दैट वे. ओके, देन फ्रंट व्यू ऑफ पॉइंट जो पी डैश है is always shows the position of the point with respect to the horizontal plane. जो डिस्टेंस हम लेते हैं, हाउ मच डिस्टेंस अबव एक्स वाई लाइन टू रिप्रेजेंट द पी डैश, तो वो ऑलवेज विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू होरिजोनटल प्लेन होना चाहिए. ओके, देन these are the descriptions. If the point lies above HP, then P dash always lies above XY line. If the point lies in HP, HP के अंदर है, okay, तो P dash is always on XY line. If the point lies below HP, HP के नीचे है, तो P dash is always lies below XY line. And top view of the point P is always represents by the small p and it shows the position of the point with respect to VP. ओके, VP का जो डिस्टेंस हमें दिया है, VP से इन फ्रंट, VP से बिहाइंड, जितना डिस्टेंस दिया है वो डिस्टेंस से हम टॉप व्यू ऑफ पॉइंट P रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं विद रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स वाई लाइन. सो इफ द पॉइंट P लाइज ऑन द VP, VP के ऊपर पड़ा है, तो टॉप व्यू कहाँ पे होगा? If the point lies in VP, then top view is on XY line. If the point P in front of VP, then it is top view is below XY line. If the point is behind VP, point P is behind VP, then top view is above XY line. Okay, so that the same description is giving over here. So let's see about the projection of point in the first quadrant. Right, first quadrant is denoted by the front VP and HP. Okay, this is the XY line. It is the intersection line of the HP and VP. The point is laying in a first quadrant, right? This is the point A. Now the front view is observed from the perpendicular to the VP. हम यहाँ से देखेंगे हमारा फ्रंट व्यू कहाँ पे डिनोटेड होगा, एंड टॉप व्यू जो है ऊपर से देखेंगे, इट इज परपेंडिकुलर डायरेक्शन विद द HP. So it is front view is projected on VP. It is denoted by A dash, and the top view is denoted by small a. Okay. Now what happened? HP is rotate 90 degree clockwise. Okay. This is the pictorial presentations of this. Okay. Now देखते हैं हम कि point A above HP and in VP हो सकता है. Right. Front view जो है यहाँ पे बात करते कि भाई फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में कैसे प्रोजेक्टेड होता है, देन इन वीपी में कैसे मतलब प्रोजेक्टेड होता है. अब देखिए कि नाउ पॉइंट ए इज इन वीपी, वीपी के अंदर है. ओके. तो फ्रंट व्यू कहाँ पे आएगा? ऑन द सेम प्लेस जहां पे ए है. टॉप व्यू कहाँ पे आएगा? ऑन द एक्स वाई लाइन. इट इज डिनोटेड बाय A and A dash like this. Okay. Now this is also pictorial view. Now point A is in HP. HP के ऊपर पड़ा हुआ है. तो कैसे आएगा पॉइंट इन HP? तो इसका टॉप व्यू कहाँ पे आएगा एंड फ्रंट व्यू कहाँ पे आएगा? तो फ्रंट व्यू इज ऑन XY line. This is denoted by A dash and top view is denoted by A. इट इज ऑन HP. जहां पे पॉइंट पड़ा है वहीं पे आपका टॉप व्यू आएगा. तो अभी आप देखेंगे इसको हम 2 डायमेंशनल ड्राइंग में हम कन्वर्ट करते हैं. कैसे? तो HP इज ऑलवेज रोटेटिंग 90 डिग्री इन द क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शंस. ओके. ऑर्थोग्राफिक प्रोजेक्शन हम अब दिखाते हैं. सो दिस ब्लू इज डिनोटेड द VP. अब देखिए कि HP जो रोटेट होता है, राइट, दिस ब्राउन कलर इज डिनोटेड द HP एंड एबो XY लाइन जो है वो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि इसको हम HP को रोटेट करेंगे, XY लाइन के नीचे आएगा एंड VP XY लाइन के ऊपर रहेगा. सो जो A डैश जो है इट इज एबो XY लाइन एंड A जो है इट इज बिलो XY लाइन. सेम हियर द टॉप व्यू इज ऑन XY लाइन व्हेन द पॉइंट इज इन VP and the A dash is above XY line. ओके. आप देखिए यहाँ पे XY लाइन के ऊपर है एंड above XY लाइन. ओके. तो जब भी VP के अंदर पड़ा है पॉइंट्स, our front view is above XY line and top view is on XY line. Now the third case, this HP is rotated in this way. अब देखते हैं कि when the point in HP always its front view is on XY line, always, and top view is below XY line like this way. तो फ्रेंड इसका यूज करके आप फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट, सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट, थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट, फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट के अंदर कोई भी पॉइंट्स अगर लोकेटेड किया है तो उसका ऑर्थोग्राफिक प्रोजेक्शंस मींस फ्रंट व्यू एंड टॉप व्यू आप आसानी से ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. एंड अगर पॉइंट इन HP है या इन VP है, whether it is above HP means in the first quadrant or in the second quadrant or below HP, whether it is in a third quadrant and fourth quadrant, तो आप आसानी से इसका सॉल्यूशंस बना सकते हैं. तो फ्रेंड आपको अगर ये वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिए। और आपकी कोई क्वेरी है तो आप कमेंट में उसको डाल के आप अपना प्रश्न पूछ सकते हैं। धन्यवाद।